Experian Boost can directly affect your Experian credit file by adding eligible bill payments, while Credit Karma doesn't change your credit at all. That's the biggest difference, and it decides which one helps more. By the end of this, you'll know when Experian Boost is worth using, and when Credit Karma is the smarter tool. Here's the quick answer. If your goal is to potentially raise your credit score, Experian Boost helps more. If your goal is tracking your credit and understanding what's changing, Credit Karma helps more. They do different jobs. Start with Experian Boost. Experian Boost lets you connect bank accounts and add payment history for bills like streaming, utilities, phone bills, and sometimes rent. Those on-time payments can get added to your Experian credit file. That matters because payment history is the biggest factor in most credit scores. But there's a catch. Boost only affects your Experian report. If a lender pulls Equifax or TransUnion, the added history may not matter. That makes it useful, but limited. Now look at Credit Karma. Credit Karma doesn't boost your score directly. It gives you Vantage Score 3 from TransUnion and Equifax and shows you what's affecting your credit. It tracks balances, hard inquiries, utilization, and payment history in real time. That makes it better for managing your credit habits. Here's the real-world difference. If your score is low because you have thin credit history and lots of on-time bills that aren't being counted, Experian Boost can help fill that gap. If your score is low because of missed payments, high balances, or collections, Boost won't fix that. Credit Karma will at least show you exactly where the problem is. That's why these tools work best in different situations. Use Experian Boost if you're trying to strengthen one credit file before applying for a loan and you have positive bill history. Use Credit Karma if you want to track your credit every week and improve the factors that actually move your score over time. Quick summary. Experian Boost is better for adding bill history and possibly improving your Experian score. Credit Karma is better for tracking your credit across two bureaus and spotting problems faster. Best next step. Use Credit Karma to monitor your credit, then add Experian Boost if you have bills that can strengthen your file. If this cleared it up, like the video and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point credit comparisons.